Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of Product Variations Table for WooCommerce. This plugin is developed by FME Addons, a leading WooCommerce plugins development company having more than 2,000 happy customers. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. With the Woo Variations Table plugin, you can display product variations in a user-friendly and modern list design. The Ajax-based search filter allows users to search products by price or other attributes and view real-time results. Product Variation Table plugin allows customers to print, copy, or export the list of product variations to review offline. Add multiple product variations to the cart and simplify the shopping experience. You can limit the number of variations per page, and with pagination, you can add items to the Product Variations Table. Product Variation Table plugin is fully compatible with HPOS high-performance order storage and multi-site. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Default Variation Table Design. List design of variation table with light theme. Customers can search for any product from the variation table. List design of variation table with dark theme. For backend configuration, go to documentation page. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.